I am live. Good afternoon. This is Bill Feaver, and this is my good parts number 63. And I just wanted to go live to share a couple of things with you. Number one, a friend of mine who's shared yesterday that a good friend of theirs' daughter was killed, and they've created a GoFundMe for to help with expenses and uh, the, the the young lady that was killed was in Hawaii, and they're trying to get her body back to the mainland. And so I wanted to share with anyone that is um, got a little bit of extra cash to help out if they could, and it would be appreciated. That's also part of giving for the season too. A lot of people are asking for things because it's the year end, but they're also asking because of the needs for certain things, from your church giving to special food lines and those kinds of things. So I would say you need to consider that, please, uh, and give if you can. The other thing is I wanted to talk about was I've been looking at the um, uh, my YouTube impressions and the click-through rates, and trying to improve on them by looking at the analytics. And my click-through rates were pretty low. I mean, I have a pretty small channel, so I'm trying to build it up and get more impressions. I have in the last 90 days, in the last 30 days, improved on the impressions, and I want to try to improve on the click-through rate. Also, I'm taking I'm trying to learn through some videos, learning connections that I have. And one of the techniques was called a spider web, and where you take and you put a circle, and then you put 4 or 5 things that are part of your niche around there, and then you go and you develop for each of those items around that you've listed out as part of your niche. You list videos that you can make for each of those knobs, or those things around the circle. So say you have 4 or 5 around the circle, and you have 4 or 5 around each circle, each item on the things. You have quite a few lists of things that are part of that niche, but you want to group them so that they'll get more click-throughs, because if people see that one through, then they want to go to another video that's similar or connected with that. So that's what I'm trying to develop at this point in time. So I wanted to share that as one of my good parts. Um, uh, right now I'm working on HBA videos. HBA is the Home Business Academy, and that is my niche. And so I'm trying to talk about the products, the compensation plans, and how it can benefit you. Is if you're somebody that wants to build an online affiliate business, you can do this in retirement. You can do this as a side hustle. Anybody can do this. If you have another business that you want to strengthen and develop online, the tools that we have would help you do that. So those are a bunch of things that I wanted to talk about, that I'm going to be making videos on over the course of the next coming year. So I wanted to just share that with you as part of my good parts, and wish you all a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon.